A doctor entered the hospital in a hurry. After being called in for urgent surgery, he answered the call ASAP, changed his clothes, and went directly to the surgery block. He found the boy's father pacing in the hall, waiting for the doctor. On seeing him, the father yelled,
"Why did you take all this time to come? Don't you know that my son's life is in danger? Don't you have any sense of responsibility?"
The doctor smiled and said,
I am sorry. I wasn't in the hospital, and I came as fast as I could after receiving the call, and now I wish you'd calm down so that I can do my work.
Calm down? What if your son was in this room right now? Would you calm down? If your own son dies while waiting for a doctor, then what will you do?
said the father angrily. The doctor smiled again and replied,
We will do our best by God's grace. And you should also pray for your son's healthy life.
Giving advice when we're not concerned is so easy,
murmured the father. The surgery took some hours, after which the doctor came out happy.
Thank God. Your son is saved.
And without waiting for the father's reply, he carried on his way, running by saying,
If you have any questions, ask the nurse.
Why is he so arrogant? He couldn't wait some minutes. So I asked about my son's state,
commented the father when seeing the nurse minutes after the doctor left. The nurse answered, tears coming down her face. His son died yesterday in a road accident. He was at the burial when we called him for your son's surgery. And now that he saved your son's life, he left running to finish his son's burial. Moral: never judge anyone, because you never know how their life is and what they're going through.